This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Nissan Murano computer. Full guide. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect and cycle the ignition to the on position without starting the engine to clear stored faults and reboot the control module. If the check engine light persists, read and record codes with an OBD2 scanner, clear them, and drive for about 20 minutes to allow the computer to relearn and stabilize, and monitor. Start by checking for loose battery cables, blown fuses, and corroded terminals, as these can mimic computer faults and prevent resets. Use your owner's manual to locate the ECU and fuse boxes and visually inspect connections for damage. When using an OBD2 scanner, follow prompts to read codes, clear stored faults, and record code numbers for reference. Persistent codes mean professional diagnosis may be needed. Take safety precautions and wear gloves. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car tutorials. On another note, check out the product seen here. Books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for manuals and reference while you work. Look in the description for the product link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you like convenient reading. Now let's get back to the video. Some Murano models require a relearn drive cycle after clearing codes, which helps the ECU adapt to throttle and idle changes. Drive at varied speeds for about 20 minutes, include several city stop-and-go segments, and a steady highway run to stabilize learning. If the vehicle idles rough or the check engine light returns, retrace steps, rescan codes, and consider a professional scan that checks live sensor data to pinpoint issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.